Assalamu alaikum guys. 6.2 magnitude quake hit mountainous Gansu province around midnight on Monday. At least 127 people have been killed in northwest China in the country's deadliest earthquake for years. 500 plus people are injured. Around 6,200 houses are destroyed. 32 aftershocks have been already felt after this deadliest quake. It was around 10 kilometers deep. Large rescue operations are underway in Gansu. Country is also experiencing coldest weather in decades. Minus 15-degree temperature hampering rescue efforts. Rescue operation has been complicated as the earthquake wrecked roads and infrastructure. Guys, for more videos, subscribe to my channel. Gansu has a population of about 26 million people and includes part of the Gobi Desert as well.